Hello, welcome to SnapStream video tutorials. In this video, we'll cover the different ways to create transcripts from closed captioning in your SnapStream recordings. The first way we'll demonstrate is to open the web player. So we'll choose a clip. And on the right-hand side, there's an option to download the transcript as a text file. This will be created as a .txt file in your computer's default location for browser downloads. Another way to do this is to click on the closed captioning button for a recording in the library. You can see we'll have more options. You can download the transcript, again as a .txt file, or it could be downloaded in the format of .srt or .scc file. Again, these files will be in the default location for your browser. There's also an option to edit the transcript. If you were to click on any line in the transcript, you'd then have the ability to make changes. Another function that's available is to create clips based upon this transcript. You would highlight where you want the clip to begin, click the Start button, highlight where you would like the clip to end, click the End button, and then you can click on the scissors icon to create the clip. And here you'll have options then for creating that clip. Now please keep in mind that the closed captions are often a bit behind the video, so it might be necessary to highlight the transcript a little behind where you want to start. This concludes our video tutorial on how to create and edit transcripts in SnapStream. If you have further questions about SnapStream, you can visit our knowledge base or contact us through snapstream.com/support.